friends, and hello student. My name is Ashok Tejal. In this session, we learn the array within the pointer in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes, is open Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our concept uh, pointer within array. Yes, so what is a pointer within the array? So here I write the definition. So pointer of array type. Yes, or we can say that pointer of array type, that is known as a array within the pointer. So the pointer variable array means array of pointer. Okay, we can say that array of pointer or pointer of array, that is so we can say that here write the concept pointer within array means array of pointer. So pointer variable is a array type. Yes, that is a meaning. So like we can store the pointer variable is a address of other variable. So here pointer within the array means array of pointer. So pointer variable itself is a array type, and also that store multiple address to other simple variable. So let us we can take one example so you can understand. So now very simple I give the example of this session. So yes, here standard input output and console input output, and then void main. Yes, and we can declare our yes. So like we can declare asterisk p and then 3, that is we can take 3 integer variable that value. So here we can declare like x, y and z, and we can also print with help of 1D array is there. So array of pointers, so array require the for loop, we can print. Okay, so first I clear the screen and taking the value from user. So you can also initialize. Yes, first we can initialize static value. So like x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and z equal to 40. And same way we can store like p of 0. Yes, so that is a first element of pointer, and we can take x address and then p of 1. Yes, so here an equal sign ampersand, that y address, and then p of 2 means third element, and we can take z, and now we can print. So yes, we can first print f1 giving the message. So like array, yes, array of pointer values, yes, are, yes, that's and slash n, and here we can take for loops. So I equal to 0, I less than, that is fix 3, and then I plus plus, okay, not equal to, and then print. So that is like 1D array. So we can print also index, so percentage d, and that value, yes, and we can say that that address at address we have to also print, and percentage u because unsigned integer. So that is a I, that is our index, yes, and asterisk, yes, asterisk give the value of that pointer variable. So here, yes, now I, and then we can take the address. So yes, pointer value we cannot give like that asterisk sign. So that is a print the address of that value, means that store the pointer. So asterisk is give the value of its value stored by that address, taking that like x address to its value. So its value is 10, and that address also we have to print. Yes, so p of I. So that is a array look like 1D array. Yes, means the array of pointer. So let us check here. I give get ch, and yes, I or save these files. So yes, very simple example I prepare for you. So yes, array underscore pointer. So that is the array of pointer and dot c, but pointer and array I already want to cover the concept array with pointer. So here we can see the pointer underscore array. Yes, so then we can identify easily. So array and pointer I already cover. Okay, so now yes, there is no any error, and our exe file is generated. And yes, here we can provide the slash n. Other all are one line. So here slash n is required. Now ready. So let us check. Yes, that's static. So p of 0, that 0 index. Yes, I that print, and 10 store, and address at which address that store the value. So 65,518. Yes, then 20 same 65. Yes, you can look here. There are 2 bytes is gap in the address because that is a integer value we have to store. So that is 2 byte gap, 65,516 and then 14 last. So 30 store. And you can also take from not static value, means you can give the dynamic taking from user. So here we can give the message. So enter X value. Yes, and we can scan. Yes. So we cannot give the static value. So here percentage D. Yes, and then ampersand x, and we can remove this static value. So yes, that already, and now I copy and paste to our second to x and y. So I remove this static value. Okay, we can take from user. So here x value, then here is a y value. Yes, here is a y, and here is a z. So also we can change scanf. So here y and here z, and then we can assign that to address to pointer to array of pointer array within a we can say that pointer within array means array of pointer. So some time we cannot perfect understand what is a pointer within array. So pointer array of pointer. So uh, array type of pointer variable. Like we can store one address to pointer variable, simple one single pointer, and that pointer variable itself is a array. So that is a array of pointer. Yes, and we can store multiple address like in store or integer array. We can store multiple values. So here that pointer store multiple address. So that is a comparison of simple array and pointer of array of pointer. So yes, we can print all that index, that value, and that address which store. So let us take now we can chance to give any value. So now I give any value. So yes, that perfectly, and that address set means store which place. So that given by the compiler. So array of pointer variable r. Yes, that and here we can provide one slash n. So here now no require because we can already give to here. Yes, so that is a array of pointer variable and array within the pointer. There are two name of same concept, so you cannot miss understand what is this concept. So pointer with array and array of pointer both are same. So multiple value store in simple integer array, and here uh, array is a pointer type, or we can say that array of pointer. So pointer variable itself is a array, and we can store multiple address to that pointer variable because there are two subscript. You can like 2D array. So here one subscript and asterisk is a another subscript. You can say that. So that is also happening because array and pointer very close or correlated concept in any C and C++ because that both very important, and pointer is a powerful tools in C language. Okay. So yes, now I close this session. Very simple and interesting concept. Hmm. Array within the pointer within the array, and array of pointer means. Okay. So I think you have to understand. So now you can write this program to your C notebook if you prepare. And then yes, I close Alt F3 function key and then quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakani. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.